how to do some action after updating a record. So in many scenarios we will have to perform certain actions or certain changes once we update a record. So let us see how that changes can be made or that actions can be performed. Here we perform the same actions using base.automation models, and we create a record inside the base.automation model, and inside that we mention the trigger as onWrite. This onWrite indicates whenever the action will be performed whenever an update is made in a record. So we provide this onWrite, and we call this particular function when updating a record. So here inside that function I have just mentioned a validation error and message as record updated. And when we upgrade this, let us see what happens. Oops. I'm just upgrading the module, and here we already have 3 records. Now let us see making certain changes in a record, and once after saving this we perform an updation in this record, and we expect the pop-up or the message we displayed in the function. Yes, so when I just make a change in an existing record, it shows the pop-up with our mentioned message. So this is how we perform certain actions upon updating a record.